Why do some people sneeze when they see the sun? Roughly 18 to 35% of people experience a reflexive sneeze when they step into bright light, most commonly sunlight. This quirk is called the photic sneeze reflex, sometimes nicknamed ACHU syndrome, autosomal dominant compelling helio-ophthalmic outburst. So sneezing at the sight of bright sunlight comes down to a bit of mixed-up neural wiring. Your eye's sudden flood of light inadvertently tickles the sneeze center in your brain. It may be odd, but it's harmless and a neat reminder of just how interconnected our sensory systems really are. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting videos.